Tony, for inviting me over here in Bacolod. It's actually my second time here in Bacolod City. The last time I was here was in 2006 when I was still playing for Ateneo. I remember we played in Lasal. We had a tune-up game in Lasal. We spent a few days there and I haven't gone back since, so it's great to be back. And thank you so much for that very warm welcome. And I totally didn't expect it. Hindi ko talaga na-expect siya. But it's really flattering, thank you. Now, let me share with you guys my story. Gusto niyo ba yun? Okay, magaling kayo ha. Huwag pahirapan. Huwag pahirapan. But before I begin, I want to apologize also for the delays because okay lang, thank you. The flight was originally scheduled at 2 p.m. from Manila. So I rushed we had a practice game this morning against Meralco. Right after the game, I rushed to the airport, thinking that my flight was at 2 o'clock, and apparently it was delayed. They said it was going to be 2:40, and then 3, and we ended up leaving at 4. So 2 hours delayed. So I really apologize for that. Alam ko, excited na kayo maglaro. I believe we have 2 games today. So don't worry, hindi ko masyadong kahabahan kasi alam ko gusto nila maglaro eh.